Hi everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Tuesday. How do you feel to choose to be today? Today, I'm choosing to be excited. But come next week, I probably won't be. And the reason why is that I've gotten literally like most of my boxes in the last since Tuesday. Monday, I got my Knotty knickers, which I have here. And I have it open, but I didn't look at it because this is my second time doing this video. I was going to do my Knotty knickers and my Topbox video all in one video, but then I remembered I'm actually doing a Knotty knickers giveaway. So if you've never gotten Knotty knickers before and you're in the USA or Canada, leave a comment on my Knotty knickers unboxing video for October. I will leave it at the end of this video. It'll pop up right here. Leave a comment saying, hey, I've never gotten Knotty knickers. And you can reach me this way by Instagram or Twitter or your email. And when I go to pick the winner, or when I go to unbox this sometime this week, I think maybe on Thursday I'll be unboxing this because I'm going to do my IPSY tomorrow if it comes. Because I can't wait to get my IPSY. Anyway, on Thursday, I'll be picking the winner. And what it is if you win and you've never gotten Knotty knickers before, Knotty knickers will send you 3 pairs of panties. You just got to tell me what size you want and whether you want thongs or regular kinds of panties or a mixture of both. So that's coming on Thursday, most likely. So stay tuned for that. And if you want to sign up for my Knotty knickers giveaway, hey, if you want to sign up for my Knotty knickers video, like I said, I'll leave it here and I'll leave it at the end of my video, my unboxing for Knotty knickers for October. That's where you will enter the giveaway there. Okay. So, Topbox. Oh, and I also got Look Fantastic, which I'll be doing tomorrow. No, IPSY's coming tomorrow. So maybe on Friday, but then I got Glossybox. You might get lucky and have 2 videos in one day because IPSY might be here tomorrow and Glossybox might be here by Friday, and I still have Look Fantastic. It all came this week. Next week there's nothing. So, and don't forget, I will be live on Friday, 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. I'm in Toronto. Okay, Topbox. Ugh. Like I said, my second time trying to make this video. It is a Canadian subscription. It costs about $17 and changes, $15 plus tax. You can only get it in Canada. A couple things you need to know about Topbox is, well, for number one, the last 2 years it was crap. Absolute bonkers, blarney, crackers, crap. And we all canceled. We did. We all canceled. The beauty surprises was crap. The box was crap. The pre-made boxes was crap. We all canceled. And Topbox had to hear us because we all let them know why we canceled, because it was crap, right? There was a lot of the same items, the same brands, and a lot of the made in China crap, okay? Anyway, we canceled. I canceled back in June, I think it was, and I resubscribed again. I think it was in September. Either September or October. I think it was September I resubscribed. I will leave the playlist at the end of my video so you guys can check it out. And I will say that since I resubscribed, the box has been good. I mean, it hasn't been like blow your mind fabulous like sometimes it used to be, but let's get real. The beauty surprises is what used to blow our minds, right? And every 2 months, at the end of the month, around the 24th of the month to the 28th, you'll get an email. It's called the wish list. And they might have something called a pre-made box there. And it could be between 1 choice to like 12 choices of items that you can choose as a pre-made box. But you're not guaranteed, even if you choose, you'd rather have the pre-made box over the regular box, you're not guaranteed to get it. And that used to be fabulous as well, and it hasn't been. It's getting a little bit better, but nothing that I went, ooh, I gotta have this, I really want it. I mean, sometimes we would get foundation or concealer from IT Cosmetics, like, you know, good stuff, right? And when you're finishing doing that survey, it will, once you submit whether you want a pre-made box or a regular box, it will say, stay tuned or wait to see if the next page opens. And if it does, there's a beauty surprise. And that would cost $10 plus tax. So it'll be $11 and change. It comes out every 2 months. So there should be a beauty surprise, hopefully in December. Okay? Those used to be the bomb ass. Like, it used to be amazing. The beauty surprises, oh my God. Sometimes they were like over $100. Like, really expensive perfume or really expensive skincare or really expensive makeup from crazy brands that we were astonished that we would actually get it for $10, right? But that was crap. Anyway, I haven't seen a beauty surprise that's made me go, oh my God, this is crazy. This is so good since I resubscribed. But I think there was only one since I resubscribed in September. I think October had one. So December is going to have one. But the box in September was good and the box in October was good for $17. So are we like, are they getting better? You know, anyway, this is the November box. Remember, it is $17 a month, only in Canada. And let's see what happens. Okay, so they sent me a little thing about Benefit, talking about their Boing concealer. So we got a little tiny deluxe size of the concealer here. My shade is in Fair Warm, and I'm like, did I choose Fair Warm? But I think because it's fair, I might be able to use it. This is the shade right here. So yeah, I think I'll definitely be able to use it, but it's very tiny. I mean, girl, she is deluxe. 1.5 mil. Very deluxe. The same kind of thing you would get in IPSY, right? So I'm happy to get that. Makeup, woohoo. I get excited. If you haven't seen my video yesterday, go and watch it. I got this big, huge box of skincare, Korean skincare from the company Style Vanna. Oh my goodness, like all of this skincare behind me. Okay, next thing in the box, excited to get this, is Bioderma, and it is a shower gel for very dry skin. And does your girl have very dry skin? Yes. Yes, I do. Oil. Legit. Matt, yes, you have oily skin. My skin is so dry. In the wintertime, does this happen to anybody else? But in the wintertime, my back gets really, really itchy, and it's like places that you just can't reach. There was one night, I think at 3 o'clock in the morning, that I woke, my back was so itchy and I couldn't reach it. I couldn't wake anybody up to help me scratch my back. So I went into the bathroom to try to find this brush that I could use to scratch my back. It gets so dry and itchy in the wintertime. Like, the skin will get under your nails if you're scratching my back. It's like that. It's so brutally dry. Anyways, this shower gel is for really, really dry skin, which I'm excited about. Ultra Nourishing Anti-Irritation Shower Gel. Shower oil, it says. Dry, very dry to irritated sensitive skin. It's a shower oil. I never heard of a shower oil before. For the shower or bath, apply on wet skin, then rinse. So it's the shower gel. It's soap, but it's called an oil. Never heard of that. But I can't wait to try it. I hope it's not expired. That was another thing with Topbox. You just kind of didn't know if stuff was expired or not, because some things just came looking really nasty. How do you open this, Chummy Digger?
Want me to help you?
No, I got it. It's right here. It's like almost like a safety thingy you got to pull off. Oh, okay. Oh, there's a nice smell to it. So we're good to go. We can use it. Like I said, there was one point that you didn't know if it was going to be expired or not, what you're getting in these boxes, right? I'm sorry, Topbox, if you're watching. I'm just telling the truth, girl. I ain't going to lie. It was what it was. All right, next thing in this box is this from Kalaya. It is a vitamin C hyaluronic concentrate with ferulic acid. I legit don't need any more skincare. I mean, ta-da! I do not need any more skincare. But this brand has been in the box a lot. It is a Canadian brand, which is really good. But it's been in the box a lot. This is the first time that I've seen this. So I don't need any more skincare, though. But Topbox is a mixture. I mean, you can get anything. Really. Sometimes you're like, why is there vitamins in my beauty box? Like, you can get anything, right, in this box. So it is a mixture of hair care, skincare, beauty, vitamins, socks, you know. Who knows? Might even be some stepines in there someday. Who knows, right? But yeah, so we got that. And I will leave the prices of everything as I unboxing it so you can see if the box was worth it. And the last thing in the box is this. It's a lipstick by Nude by Nature, and this is the shade Grapevine. The creamy matte lipstick, and she kind of smells. I looked to see if there was an expiration date on it, but I can't see. And I'm like, you know, I guess there's ways to find out if your lipstick is expired. That's the shade right there. It's a very pretty shade. It's a nice, like, fall shade. It's very pretty. And like I said, this is my second time filming this video. There's a shade there. But she stinks, girl. She smells like, I don't know, oh my God. Wax. That, like a really strong wax. Or, oh, crackers, I just got on my nose. Or like an oil that went bad or something. But there's a very, very strong smell on this lipstick. Anybody else who gets this box, is there a strong smell on the lipstick? That's all I want to know. It's a pretty shade. Like I said, very pretty shade. Nice packaging. Nude by Nature. Made in Canada. But the smell is very, very strong. Anyway, that's what we got for $17. Vitamin C Hyaluronic Concentrate. We got the lipstick from Nude by Nature. We got the concealer, the mini deluxe 1.5 mil concealer from Benefit. And we got the full size of the shower gel from Bioderma. I know this could be expensive. I don't know what this is. Probably $14 maybe. This is probably 20 bucks. And I'm going to take a guess and say maybe 30. I don't know. 30 to 40. Again, a $17 box. I think they are getting better. I do. I know I'm like, you know, we'll still stay on the fence to find out, to figure out, to see, to wait, see if they're getting better. But from the last 3 boxes, they have been getting better. I can't wait to see what December box brings, as well as the beauty surprise. And I think that's, if they want people to come back and start buying their boxes again, I think it's really going to depend on the beauty surprises and the privé boxes. And to get more well-known brands in this box and not repeat the same items all the time, like your nail polish and your Larizzi, you know, and Manigadar. And who's the other one? God, there was another one. You know what I'm Deuce. That's another one, you know, and for a while, that's all we were getting in this box. And it just wasn't worth it because you just throw half of it in the garbage, right? So I can't wait to see what comes in December and see what their beauty surprise is, because that's the reason that a lot of people hung on for so long, was for that beauty surprise. So if they start getting better, I can see a lot of people resubscribing to this box. But the box itself has been getting better than what it was for the last 2 years. In my opinion, I think it's stepped up and it's starting to get better again. Now, I'm wondering if that's because there's not so many subscribers, because at one point they had a lot of subscribers, like thousands probably, and then we just started getting crap. So I'm thinking it's probably like we'll get better things if there's less people. But would that make sense? Or did someone else take over the company because they were doing so bad? That's what I want to know, you know? Like, for a couple of years, it was fantabulous. And then it went downhill for a couple of years. And now it's picking up again. So I'm like, did someone take over the company? Anyway, what do you think in the comments down below? Do you think there are new owners? Or did they get a new person to bring in the products, you know? Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think? Is it getting better? And are you thinking about resubscribing, or are you still going to wait a bit? Bye, everybody. Don't forget to comment and like and share and do all of that stuff. Bye. Love you.